In this video, I'll be sharing with you the best 6 green leafy vegetables you should be adding in your juices and smoothies that will help form a disease fighting barrier in your system so you always stay healthy, free from all the blood pressure, diabetes, kidney stones. Load your system with most of the vitamins and minerals you need for the healthy functioning of your system. Cleanse and detox your system so you can glow effortlessly from within. The first on this list will be spinach. I love spinach a lot. If you notice, I add in almost all my smoothies. That is specifically because spinach helps to fight oxidative stress. It is loaded with natural antioxidants to help prevent oxidative stress, which causes your skin cells to damage. Your skin now looks so aged and horrible. Oxidative stress causes cancer and so many other deadly illnesses. So spinach is there to rejuvenate your system, prevent your cells from damaging. Spinach are equally loaded with so many vitamins and minerals like folate, folic acid, iron, vitamin K, vitamin C, so many vitamins and minerals, most especially folate and folic acid, iron. You should be consuming a lot of spinach if you're pregnant for a healthy baby. Spinach equally helps to support your system detox toxins so you can always stay healthy and looking good. So these are adult spinach. I just showed the baby spinach. This is the actual spinach. But in some countries, spinach looks like this. Like in South Africa, this is how their spinach looks like. So depending on where you are, spinach looks different depending on where you live. The second on the list of my best green leafy vegetables will be celery. Celery is one of the best detox green leafy vegetable. Like if you're suffering from acne, pimples, all the skin congestion and the rest due to internal dirt in your system, celery will help detox your system so you can be free from all those skin issues like acne, pimples and the rest. Because so many people have acne, pimples because their internal system is maybe filled with toxins, germs and they don't know. So consuming celery really detoxes your system. It is loaded with so many vitamins and minerals as well, like vitamin A for good sight, vitamin K, vitamin C to glow your skin, folate to improve your blood. So good. This is something you want to add in your juices and smoothies for that healthy life, because detoxing your system is like removing toxins causing all those deadly illnesses. So this is something you want to add in your juices, smoothies. The third on the list will be parsley. Parsley is very good for your heart and kidney health. It helps prevent any inflammation or bacterial infections that can distort the functioning of your kidney and liver, so they are always intact. If you have STDs like staphylococcus, you want to consume a lot of parsley as it has antibacterial properties to fight such diseases from your system. It is rich in vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin K, and helps support your system detox toxins out of your system as well. Very good to add in your juices and smoothies. The fourth on this list will be broccoli. Broccolis are so good, most especially if you have hormonal imbalance. Broccoli helps to remove excess bad estrogen from your system, causing hormonal imbalance, and you end up having all the painful menses, fibroid cysts and the rest. So adding broccoli in your smoothies, juices will help balance your hormones so you don't face issues like that. It helps to prevent oxidative stress causing all the cancer, kidney failure and the rest. So this is very healthy if you want to prevent all those heart diseases, kidney failure, diabetes and the rest. You want to add broccoli, most especially for hormonal imbalance. It is so good. It is a cruciferous vegetable, so if you have thyroid issues, you want to stay away from broccoli. But if you don't have thyroid issues, you have hormonal imbalance, you want to add broccoli in your smoothies and juices to help balance your hormones by cleansing toxins out of your systems as well. All the bad estrogen in your system, it will cleanse and help balance your hormones so your reproductive organs can be fine. Next, which is one of the plants with the most highest medicinal properties, is dandelion. Dandelion has so many medicinal properties. Most especially, it helps to cleanse the blood. Like, it helps to cleanse your system, heal so many diseases and illnesses from your system. Like, this is a very powerful healing plant that does wonders to the system. Most people who consume dandelion are always healthy, like always healthy. This is how it looks in the farm. Very common in Africa, with so many healing properties to cleanse your blood, your system and all. The seed, which is a super green leafy vegetables with so many vitamins and minerals, like it is the best super green leafy vegetable, is kale. Kale has a little bit of all the vitamins and minerals you can think of: vitamin A, C, K, folate, iron, all those vitamins and minerals you need for the healthy functioning of your system. It helps to cleanse your system, detox toxins out of your system, leave in so many nutrients. If you want to be healthy, if you want to never fall sick, in short, add kale in most of your juices. It has so many benefits and healing properties to your system to cleanse, prevent all those deadly illnesses like high blood pressure, diabetes, everything you can think of. Like, kale is the most, like, the best green leafy vegetable you can think of. Lettuce too are so good. You can add them in your salad, your juices, smoothies. They are equally loaded with so many vitamins and minerals. Help detox your system as well. If you notice, whenever you consume salad with lettuce, you easily like rush to your restroom to like get everything out. It makes you poo-poo a lot, which means it helps you like support your system to detox toxins out of your system, which is what we want. We want all those dead germs and toxins out of the system. So you want to add lettuce in your salad, juices, smoothies for good health and a cleaner system from both the inside out. Cruciferous vegetables are really good. As you can see, you see broccoli here, that is kale. You see cabbage, they are so good. And there are so many green leafy vegetables you want to choose from. List me your best below so I can like try some of your best. Those are the best I go for, but that doesn't mean the other green leafy vegetables are not good. Which are your best? List them down below so we can all learn and try the different leafy vegetables, as green leafy vegetables contain most of the vitamins and minerals we need for that healthy functioning of our system, for that healthy glow to the skin. If you want to always be healthy, you want to consume a lot of green leafy vegetables. There are a variety of them, so many different kinds of green leafy vegetables. If you can't find the ones I just listed, maybe there are some other green leafy vegetables in your country you are more used to. You can list them down below so we can all learn and try. But generally, green leafy vegetables are so good. There is bitter leaf, different types of green leafy vegetables. That does not mean these I just listed are the best, but they are the best to add in your smoothies, because you don't want to add bitter leaf in your smoothie. You will not consume that smoothie. You just have to throw it because bitter leaf is so bitter. So it depends on how you prepare these green leafy vegetables, but they are also good with so many healing and medicinal properties. So I hope someone found this video helpful. Don't forget to share with your family and friends so we can all stay looking good, free from all the deadly illnesses and diseases. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and see you again in my next video. Bye.